Hello everyone. So today I had a problem. The upstairs guest room shower, we haven't been using it for like years, but today I'm trying to turn on the shower and then I saw this. So the cold water. As soon as I turn to the hot water, it stops flowing and then keeps going further to the hot water. There's no hot water. And then only cold water. Since the plumbing hasn't been changed, so I'm suspecting there must be the valve inside here that got stuck for the hot water. Okay, let's see if we can fix it today. Okay, first of all, if I want to open this valve, I need to shut off the water. The water coming to the house and also the hot water that coming out of the heater. Okay, let's do that first. In the garage, I installed a water softener. So conveniently, I installed two shut-off valves from the incoming and outgoing water. And also, of course, this bypass valve is always shut. So now let's turn off the incoming water. And the other one. All right. So the incoming water for the household is shut off. And this is the water heater. Let's climb up. Okay, guys. You see? There is a incoming water. See, this is cold. And this is hot. Okay. Hot is going into the house. And cold, there is the incoming water valve I can shut off. So I just shut that off, okay? Okay, so the hot water is supposed to be turned on. Okay, let's drain the water and then try to disassemble that valve, see if what's wrong with that valve, okay? Okay, now we're back into the second floor. So let's drain all the waters first. Oh, it's already drained. Not much left. Of course, the hot water doesn't work. Let's wait. Everything drained. Alright, so I think we completely drained the water. Now I can just start disassembling the valve. If you move the valve this way, you can see there's a set screw here. So we can open it with a Allen wrench. Alright, we found the right wrench. So you see from the top here, then we have a screw that we can unscrew it. Set screw, okay. All right, take this one off. Ooh, look at this. Okay. Then here in the middle, there's another screw here in the center. Let's just open it. Okay, take this one off. Now we can take this one off as well. Okay. Now we need to take this valve off, okay? I'm gonna get a plier All right, I got the plier. So if this plier doesn't work, if it's the valve stuck, you can also use this one. It's a universal valve removal. You know, you can get it from Amazon, but let's try the plier first. Okay. See, all right, so let's remove this one. So I need to remove this clip in order to remove the valve. So let's remove this. Thanks for my little helper. Let's cut open this silicone seal. Get access to the bottom of the panel. Okay, here we go.
Did it?
Finally removed.
Oh.
Alright, so next thing is easily take out this ring.
That easy.
And let's remove the valve. See if we can. Okay, this is a standard Moen 1222. To be specifically, yeah. All right, so okay, let's out the replacement. Pretty much the same. Hot water, hot water, hot, cold, hot, cold. Okay. All right, let's install this new one. Use like this. To help install the valve. We apply some grease,
AKA lube.
lubrication. And let's face this one up. Okay, they're all in closed position. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, good.
Here's a clip.
Now we need the clip, retainer.
Clip it back in.
Yeah, it's clipped back in. Let's put this thing back in. I think the retainer needs to go down a little bit.
Dad, you need to put something else on it. Oh, wait, never mind.
Okay. Okay. The clips is on. Okay. Let's put the panel back on. Notch up this way. Okay.
2 screws.
2 screws.
Screw them.
Okay.
Put that back in. The clip.
Yeah, the clip is in the way. Okay. Okay.
And then a screw, right?
This one.
There's 2 screws.
Yeah. First, this is a first fixing screw here.
Can't hear.
Oops. Okay. 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 Up. Let's put this one in.
Let's look at.
Okay, let's close the valve. Take care of everything. Open up the shutter. All right, let's open up the return first. Okay. Open up the supply. All right. Okay, now let's open up the top of the water heater inlet. Remember, there's a this inlet valve. Let's open it. Okay. Water coming into the hot heater. All right, moment of truth. See if we got things fixed. Gradually. Alright. We got hot water. Yay! Big problem solved. Okay. Now we got hot water. Alright. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you can fix your own bathtub. And it's not really that bad at all. Thanks for watching and hope you have a good day. Bye.